So you've got a new job and you're going in for your first proper day. You feel nervous, you don't know what to expect. How do you make a good first impression? That's what I'm going to help you with today, showing you how to make an amazing first impression in your new job. Hello and welcome to Max Talks, where every Sunday I make videos to help you get to where you want to be. So let's get straight into the tips. Number 1, dress appropriately. This might sound obvious, but if you don't follow this, it could end up something like this. Hi, I'm Jimmy here for my first day.
What are you wearing?
It's my first day. I wanted to look smart.
You're here for a park ranger job. Where do you think you're going to need a suit? Didn't you get the email?
I must have skipped over that part, sorry.
Go and get changed immediately and don't come back.
Number 2, make sure that you have all the documentation and everything that you need before your first day. Some jobs will ask for proof of identification or proof of certification of what you said that you had in your application. Read that email carefully that they send you beforehand, because there's nothing worse for turning up on the first day unprepared. Number 3, relax and smile. People are normally drawn to other people who are happy or smiling, so this is a perfect way to make a great first impression, especially because people decide normally whether they like you or not within the first kind of few seconds of meeting you. So if you smile, you maximize your chances of making a great first impression. Hopefully, if I smile nicely enough at you, you'll like the video. Number 4 is to be confident, but without being arrogant. This is a difficult balance to have because confidence and arrogance are so closely associated. You don't want to be that cocky person on the first day, which is like,
"You're rubbish, I can do everything, I am amazing, I'm God's gift."
You don't want to do that, but having a bit of quiet, confident self-talk within yourself, believing that you can do things, doing the things that are asked of you, and even putting yourself forwards for new things. Which leads me to number 5, which is get stuck in. Don't be afraid to volunteer for things which maybe you wouldn't even normally do. On your first day, you'll probably get a bit of time to kind of go through any documentation, you'll get a lot of paperwork and stuff, so you'll have a bit of time to go through all of that. But if you finish early, use your initiative, see if you can help anyone else around you. It shows you in a positive light because you're helping your colleagues, you're building those relationships from the get-go, and that ultimately is what's going to get you further and allow you to progress, is building and having those positive relationships with your colleagues and with those people around you. Number 6 is to ask questions and to be ready to listen to your other colleagues. Even if you're amazing and you've done this job before and you have a lot of experience, it doesn't mean that you know everything. Every day is a learning day and it might be done differently in this company. So listen to your colleagues because at the end of the day, they've been at this company longer than you have, so they have the experience which you can then learn from. You know, even if you're going for a CEO role, you'll probably learn from those people underneath you. Never be afraid to listen and to learn. Again, you don't want to be that person that says, "Shh,
I know everything. I'm amazing. I don't need to listen to you."
That is not going to set you off on the right foot. You want to build your relationships, not break them. And number 7, and I think this is maybe the most important one, is to be yourself. People value honesty and integrity within a new job role. If you start off pretending to be someone that you're not, then it's not going to go well because people will have unrealistic expectations of who you are and the things that you're interested in and the things that you're capable of. I said earlier about how important it is to build relationships within your new employer. This doesn't mean that you need to lie about the things that you're interested in, you know, about what sports teams you're into. If you don't like sport, don't tell people that you like sport, because at the end of the day, once someone lies about one thing, what else are they going to lie about? You know, that's what your colleagues are going to think. So be honest, be yourself, and you will succeed in your new job. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Last week's comment of the week was by Evangelia. I think I pronounced that wrong, so apologies about that. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce your last name. But if you want a chance to be featured on next week's video, then leave a comment with the phrase "red rooftops." It can be something funny, it could be something related to the video. Leave a comment with that and I'll pick my favourite to be featured at the end. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like rating, subscribe for new content every single Sunday, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you next Sunday. Evangelia? Some jobs will ask for proof of identification, So you've got a new job. Oh my dear.